everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my cozy evening routine. I basically have like a whole free evening. I'm not seeing Sam this evening and I thought I would just kind of do whatever, you know. I mean, I might do some baking, I'm definitely going to have a bath, wash my hair, scrub my fake tan. I'm very aware that my face looks awful at the minute, but I just feel like I need a bit of a pick me up because I'm feeling really down at the minute, which is quite sad. But I know I'm going to be fine. It's just if anybody else overthinks things to like a horrible extent, you'll know that it can be really difficult, and that I'm such a big overthinker. I worry about the most strangest things that I just don't have to worry about, and I almost make up like situations in my head that just for something to worry about. So if you're a worrywart like me and need somebody to talk to, then please feel free to have a chat, because yeah, it's just an absolute nuisance, to be honest. I know I'm going to be fine, but I feel like maybe an evening doing nice things. Not that I don't do nice things anyway, and I love seeing Sam, but sometimes we have to have like just an evening to ourselves, just to like do everything we need to do and gather ourselves, to be honest. So you're probably wondering why I'm wearing my coat inside. I'm going to take Milo for a walk over Pitbull Park, because that always makes me feel so much better. It makes me feel really cozy and autumnal. Milo, do you want to come up? Come on puppy, do it. Milo, do you want to go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Right, I'm going to take Milo for a walk, and I really hope you enjoy the vid. If you'd like to see what I get up to on my cozy autumnal pampering evening sesh, then please carry on watching. So I thought I'd do this as like a vlog style because I just feel like it's a lot more realistic. But I'm going to take Milo over the park. I'm going to drive to the park and then walk Milo, because the park is like probably about a 20-minute walk. I mean, I could walk, but I'm just being a bit lazy and I just like hopping in the car and be able to drive home. But yeah, I'm gonna walk Milo and then sort out my face, because this is not. So I just wanted to share with you like one way that I kind of find to like make myself feel better. I've made a positivity playlist, just loads of like songs that make me really happy on here, but I'm going to take my phone and my headphones and listen to some music just whilst I walk Milo around the park. But yeah, I mean, I just find this one way of like really kind of making myself feel better. I've got some Michael Jackson on there, Coldplay, because I bloody love Coldplay. Yeah, this is my little playlist that I'm going to go listen to and walk Milo. Milo, shall we go for a walk now? Yes? Come on then. Okay, so I've just got back from the walk. It was really nice actually. I'm just run a bath, and I'm gonna just quickly show you what I use when I'm in the bath. And I'm also gonna get a bath bomb to put in as well. Okay, so it's been a while since I've spoken to you. I look bold. I've scrubbed the fake tan off of my face. You can still see I've got it on my body, but I've reapplied my fake tan. I'm also just gotten it into this really cozy dress. This is from Topshop and my mum got it for me for my birthday, and it's just something I like to put on when I'm at home, just kind of like chilling. It's really comfortable and it's so soft as well, and I just got this Gilly Hicks lace bralette thing on as well. As you can see, my skin's not looking great because I've had a spot here and I've just picked my nose. But I've just uploaded a YouTube video. Well, I'm currently uploading a YouTube video that should be up this evening. It's currently Thursday and I'm just watching some Bake Off, of course. But I am just going to chill for a bit, and then once my hair's kind of air dried a little bit, I'm going to blow dry it with a hairdryer and curl my hair. Look how dark it looks when it's wet. Everyone, so I'm currently snuggled up in bed. I've curled my hair, as you can see. I've had a really nice evening. I made myself feel better. I do feel pretty good now. I stuck on some false lashes. That one's not looking too good. Look at these dark circles as well. But I just literally cut them in half and stuck them on the end, and I think they look quite nice. But I'm gonna have to see what I wake up like tomorrow morning. But yeah, I've got my pyjamas on. I'm gonna put something on Netflix, then I'm gonna FaceTime Sam at 10, and then I am gonna go to sleep. Maybe watch some like start of a film, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed the realistic, cozy winter evening routine, and I'll see you soon. Bye!